Welcome back to another video, guys and gals. I hope all is well with you. I bet you woke up with a big smile on your face when you saw that the price of Bitcoin went through the roof. It's beautiful to see, and yes, the markets are going through the roof. Pepe is worth $3.5 trillion right now, and we can see that in the blockchain. I'd like to talk about Pepe joke coin. You Pepe fans really like this coin. It's the third most popular meme coin, and it's up 5% so far this week and over 5% in the last 24 hours. We're back on track with the green trend now. Can we see where this goes for Pepecoin? Let's talk about it. At the end of this movie, I'll also talk about some other meme coins, so stay tuned. You may have noticed that Pepe is very happy right now if you are in the streets. A lot of people are talking about it, taking a look at how often people search for Pepecoin on Google Trends around the world. We can see that the number of searches is very close to what it was in March of this year. It's clear that the markets are very, very exciting right now. Feel free to use the link below to visit BitsUnix if you want to buy joke coins like Pepe and the others, or if you just want to buy or trade cryptocurrency in general. Nobody has to prove who they are to use it. It's free. Anyone can sign up, and anyone in the world can use it. What's wrong with Pepe now? As we can see, Binance US shows Pepe as a cryptocurrency exchange. V for the market for joke coins. Meme coins are getting a lot of attention from US crypto markets like Binance and COINBASE. This makes people feel better about meme coins as a story again, and their own sector makes people believe in them even more. People also take them more seriously if bigger markets back them. As you can see, Binance US listed the famous meme coin Pepe. This is because US cryptocurrency exchanges want a piece of the lucrative meme coin market. In other words, they want to start spreading these jokes. It says that Pepe has been very popular with network members ever since it started. If you look at the markets as a whole, COINBASE is still the 5th biggest volume provider for Pepecoin. We know this is pretty old news now. It makes me so excited to think about what might happen. Now that we've talked about prices, let's talk about price action. This is the fun part. The relative strength measure is in the overbought zone. We're on day 70, which is pretty far past our SMA from 14 days ago. So bullish and happy right now. There is still a red candle on the monthly chart, but it looks like the price will go up. This is where you can see the buying wick. There is no longer any buying pressure, putting aside the selling pressure. And I think the daily candle also looks good. We have a nice green light there after 2 greens in a row. We do need to break through the resistance, which is the overhead resistance that's just sitting there around 0.0000228 right now. There is a big resistance that we want to get past, and I think we will, but it will take longer than we thought. Even though Bitcoin is flying again and more legacy altcoins are working, there will still be some opposition. It is, in fact, a pretty big piece of resistance, as you can see from this line. At this price, there's been a lot of pressure to sell. We might be able to push through again, but I think we need a little more time. Let Bitcoin fly a little higher and it's calmed down on that side. Then hopefully there'll be another meme coin run because, guys, we're so close to setting a new all-time high. This doesn't need much more support. All it would need is some good news on the price that it might get people's attention a lot faster. Plus, also, I wrote down we might trade in the good news or a story about something that could happen in crypto, and it might give them the courage to actually get bigger and go above and beyond. So also a huge thank you to the new patrons. If you want to grow your crypto account, check out the Patreon link below that's made to help you make more money in the coin markets. This will let you join the VIP Discord, where you can get ultra early announcements about hot projects before anyone else. Last few weeks, We had some great calls in the rest of the crypto space, just like Cat Slap. In addition, this will give you a lot of trading signs, so you can start trading right away. Some of the traders are very good at what they do. Please check out the Patreon below if you don't want to miss this. Yes, there isn't a lot of room, but we're doing our best to make sure everyone is happy. A lot of people are doing really, really well, as we can see. Things are very exciting. There are short positions and long positions. This guy said, thanks to this clan, I made half my salary in 2 trades in 12 hours. So check it out below. We're doing everything we can to make the best site in the world so that people can be happy, trade with a smile on their face, and learn about crypto as well. So please check out Patreon. Let's talk about the fear and greed measure next. What's going on? There is a lot of greed in the market. You know, it's usually hard to keep up. Such huge amounts of greed. We're right on top of the barrier, and you can see that we don't stay there for long when we get to this 98 or higher area. Now is the time to make the most of these markets. And remember that this is only a short-term phase. This fear and greed measure is currently at 84. We don't usually stay above 80 for that long, but keep in mind that this is usually a time to take gains, not to get in fear of missing out and hold for years and years. The best time to hold for years was, of course, when the fear and greed index was very, very low. The markets are completely worn out and dull and boring. While we're on the subject of Pepe, Pepe Unchained will also be sold out today. I've been told that it ends when $75 million is raised. Even though it says 7 days to go, I think this deal will be over today. There are likely only a few minutes or hours left in this pre-sale if you're watching this video. You might still have time to get some tokens if you want to. I'll leave the link for you guys right below. A Pepe Unchained is worth $0.01295, as we can see. You can connect your MetaMask wallet or any other ERC20 wallet you want, like a COINBASE wallet, to buy it. After that, you need to change your Ethereum, or Tether, straight into Pepe Unchained coins. This is a very cool Layer 2 meme coin that looks a lot like Pepe. It says you got a DEX here, a bridge, and a block explorer. There are also prizes for staking and a grant for developers. Guys, this could be a really cool thing to look at. I really hope that it does pretty well in this market. It's a very, very hot time. 8 billion tokens, no taxes, no inflation, and so on. It's only a matter of time before this coin is completely gone. If you missed this one, Wall Street Pepe just went live and raised $750,000, dealing at 0.0000203. People also got in early for the first step. I really hope it does really, really well. This will be a different kind of Pepe that will also make people go crazy. I think Pepe Unchained will